If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Outlook subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Outlook subscription. Step 2. Navigate to Services and Subscriptions. Once logged in, locate the Services and Subscriptions section in your account dashboard. This section will display all your active subscriptions, including Outlook. Step 3. Find your Outlook subscription. Scroll through the list of subscriptions to find the one related to Outlook. Click on the subscription to view more details about it. Step 4. Manage auto-renewal settings. Look for the option that says Manage or Cancel Subscription. Click on it, and you should see an option to turn off auto-renewal. Follow the prompts to disable this feature. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After turning off auto-renewal, make sure to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that auto-renewal has been successfully disabled. By following these steps, you can effectively stop the auto-renewal of your Outlook subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Microsoft support.